where are we?
We are on the tram right now, and we're going to the beach.
Yeah. You so excited?
I can't wait to go to the beach.
Kind of windy today.
Bye, Dumbo. See you later, Dumbo. Bye-bye.
There's our ship.
And hi, Dumbo.
This handsome man is sitting next to me.
We are now at
Happy
Scuttle School,
birthday.
the first part of the Bombay Beach. For those of you going to the
Our room stewardess stopped us on the way out. So, our room stewardess stopped us and he gave him the button and like a certificate, right, or something? I don't know.
Certificate of being old.
Stop it. So, happy birthday, my love.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoy your day on the beach.
So excited for my day on the beach on my birthday with my 3
And
favorite girls.
also, it's your favorite type of weather.
Bright, sunny, and hot.
No, it's not bright sunny out at all.
Oh,
I wish it was.
overcast?
Okay guys, it is about noon now. We found a spot in the family beach, the second family beach, the one with the water slides on. But I don't think we're gonna get near the water slides because the water is super cold right now. But we'll see. But anyways, Mike wanted to get buried and be a mermaid. So we buried him. How does it feel to be a mermaid, Daddy?
Merman?
Merman.
Okay, let's get that straight.
Okay, sorry.
Alright, who's getting married next?
So now Natalia and Selena wanted to get buried. Selena was here, but she got up before I was able to record her. And here's Natalia. She sat down where Mike was, so it took no time at all to bury her. Right, baby?
Hello everyone. So we started to bury Michelle in the sand. Now we've got a little army of little girls covering her in seashells. It's pretty good. Good times.
So they wanted
I want to play with her.
to marry me, but now I'm full of seashells too.
Natalia, who's finding all the seashells? You? So pretty, mommy.
Thank you.
Wow.
Okay, so we went to Cookie Stew, got some food. This is inside of the building. It's so cool. We're sitting under the canopy next to Cookie Stew, and we found this bench. So Selena's eating a hamburger like always. And she got corn and the cookies and chips. She was so excited we had chips. Natalia has a hot dog and the meat of the hamburger.
Hamburger patty.
As you can see, she left the buns. Birthday boy got everything. Except for a hamburger.
You no hamburger.
Huh?
Might go back. You never know.
Yeah, right? I got hamburger, cornbread, and pasta salad. And some chips too. Brownies. You happy? You happy? You happy?
I'm gonna start eating
Guys, the sun finally came out. Here's our fruit. And even though the sun came out, the water is so cold. So we're probably still not gonna get too deep into the water.
It feels so much nicer after you think.
Nah. It's cold. She doesn't like the seaweed. I'm talking about the one you're holding hands with.
Rocky over here. That's where we were.
Okay, we are headed back to the ship now. Daddy, how was your birthday at the beach?
So good.
What was your favorite part?
Relaxing in the sun. The water was a little chilly.
The water was a little chilly.
Right?
What about you, Natalia? What was your favorite part?
Ice
cream? Of course. What about you, Selena?
Making in the front and taking a whole of her.
Yeah. My favorite part was you guys making me into a mermaid.
Yes.
What I'm doing. Look at our cruise ship.
We are all headed back to Cargo Handling and your Disney cruise ship. At the stop, you will find largest lodges, the location for parasailing, fly fishing, glass water boat, rigid hull snorkeling, troll fishing, water fishing, flying bar adventure, backcountry fishing, and adult snorkeling. If you did get a lot of sun today, be sure to keep
Your shirt, baby.
I'm on your desk.
Hi. We're at dinner. Sorry, I didn't show you guys the menu. But I ordered the Enchanted Garden platter. Looks interesting. And then Mike got some shrimp with rice.
And Natalia needs some help. Right? Are you grumpy?
So I got the portobello ravioli, and it's really, really good. It has asparagus with it, and this creamy sauce. Delicious. Mike got, what did you get?
New York strip steak.
With potatoes, right?
And parsnips? I believe that is.
Sure. Selena finished her first hamburger, so she's waiting on her second one. And Natalia's being very, very picky with her chicken today.
Hey, baby, what's wrong with this chicken? Is that good? Is that good? Oh, it's got breading missing. Okay, good.
Okay, so Mike got the strawberry tower.
I don't know what this
Strawberry
is.
mousse tower, probably another mousse.
I don't know what this barcode is.
It's probably a piece of chocolate.
Why'd they paint it like a barcode though?
I don't know. Why does it look like a barcode? I have no idea. Chocolate?
It's chocolate.
I told you. Sure. I got a barcode chocolate too. No, you guys have enough chocolate. And then I got, what did I get? The creme brulee.
Creme brulee cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
It looks super yummy. It looks like a cheesecake.
Ooh, it does. Look at that. See
It's
or
like
no?
a white chocolate mousse with strawberry flavors. Pretty good.
Nice. And the girls got Mickey bars as always.
The last Mickey bar, because tomorrow we're gonna get off.
Yeah.
Yep, that's it.
one, right?
Yeah, sure, 21.
So we're gonna sing 21 times for Michael. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michael. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Happy birthday, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.